Hola, hola mis amigas y feliz día. Happy Thursday. I'm so glad you guys made it today. I'm so excited to always see you guys here coming right back. So I have a lot of things that I'm going to be doing today. So I have a few things. I just finished right here in la cama. Estoy tomando unas fotos so I can post it on the online so I can just sell that stuff. Como les digo mis amigas, like si ustedes tienen cosas que están como vendiendo, bueno, que no están usando y que, you know, nomás están ahí estorbando en la casa, take pictures and literally sell them, mis amigas, because you can be making some money, you know, and you guys don't even know it. So if I were you guys, I will do that. And you know what, I have to be honest, it does take it does take time for items to sell, but you know, the point here is like never giving up and just keep continuing and posting things and stuff like that, because eventually they will sell. So with that, I just went ahead and took pictures of, let me see, de este short que mi hija nunca lo usó, este short y algunas otras cositas. I did sell this pair of shorts right here, estos shorts right here de Adidas, and I've had these for such a long time, for years, mis amigas, years. And for some reason, I didn't want to give them away, but you know. But now, eventually, they sold this morning. I posted them this morning, and boom, se vendieron. So with that being said, I also want to share with you guys something. So I end up buying these pairs of shoes that I've been wanting for such a long time. Déjame las pongo. And these shoes, mis amigas, I told my daughter that yo las tenía cuando yo estaba chiquita, when I was younger, and I finally bought them, and I think they're like the most cutest thing ever. And I'm gonna share with you guys what they look like. I don't know if with this outfit they look great, but nomás para demostrárselos, mira, déjalas enseño. Okay, mis amigas, so son estos zapatos right here. So I don't know if you guys can really see them, but I hope you guys can. But this is what they look like. They're from Steve Madden, mis amigas, and they're super, super cute. I love them. Like I said, yo tenía estos zapatos when I was back in like middle school. I'm not kidding you guys. And I had them. They're like so 90 vibes. But miren nomás qué bonitos están, mis amigas. Déjales enseño. And the best thing about it is that they are super, super comfy. And when you walk, like your foot, I mean, they're thick, but they're not even heavy, but they're super, super cute. So I cannot wait to wear them. But for now, I won't be wearing them today because I have a lot of things to do around the house. So thank you guys so much for coming back, and let's get started. Okay, mis amigas, so aquí estoy limpiando lo que es lo de afuera. So this is my backyard. I don't know if I've actually shown you guys like how my backyard is actually looking like. I think I showed you just parts of it and stuff like that. But anywho, mis amigas, aquí estoy limpiando. Tenemos un desastre. But you know what? When it's like family gathering time, it's so fun because you just get together and you talk about like certain stuff with your family. You just have a blast with them. You just lots of laughter. I remember this 4th of July, hicimos s'mores con los niños, and it was just so much fun. And we had some carne asada and stuff like that. It was just such a great time. So with that being said, I really hope you guys had a great 4th of July with your family. So this was after 4th of July. Obviously, I already made a video of how I cleaned my kitchen. If you guys haven't already, go watch that. And then you guys can finish watching this video. So with that being said, I'm so thankful that you guys are here, and hope you guys are liking these videos, because I am hearing a lot of great comments from you guys, and it's making me so happy. You guys are just filling my heart with these videos, and nothing is better with amigas supporting other amigas, and I really, really appreciate you guys all. And okay, so mis amigas, so let's get started with this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. que estoy haciendo aquí es, mis amigas, I'm just hanging my daughter's swing. So my husband puso el columpio de mi hija aquí, and actually it's so perfect and relaxing because in the mañanas a veces se despierta and she just sits there and while breakfast is getting ready and, you know, takes the dogs outside, and she just likes to sit here and get some fresh air, and it's so relaxing. I don't know if you guys need, like, don't have one of these swings. I highly recommend if you guys have children or even for yourselves. I've seen people even put them inside their homes, but I don't know about that. I think they're like outside swings, but I will be linking this swing in my bio section if you guys are interested. I've actually had the swing for quite a while now. I believe like 5 years or something like that, or less, something like that. Oh, I think it was like during quarantine time we ordered her this swing and she absolutely loved it. I was removing everything, almost finished. I started sweeping and I was like, you know what, ¿cuándo voy a acabar de estar barriendo? But you know what, I did my best. I kind of swept right here because había un montón de tierra, even though it didn't seem like it, but my dogs like to sit right here, and you know, sus pelos de ellos, they like to stay there. So with that, I was like, you know what, I had a better idea. So fui al garage y me van a ver que saqué el leaf blower de mi esposo y lo empecé a usar. So thank you so much, esposo. So for this thing that he bought, and because with this thing I would have never ever finished. So what I'm doing right now is just kind of removing all the dust and todo lo que sobró como de palos and la tierra and stuff like that. This was such a miracle. It was such a lifetime. It was better. And then la escoba, and I'm just so glad that I got this leaf blower out and started blowing everything away. And at the end of the day, dejó super limpio, and I'm just so grateful for this machine. No saben, mis amigas, I am in a mission of cleaning my carpets, my entire house, mis amigas. So ya me tocaba limpiar aquí en la área de mi casa, and it was such a hot mess. Like, I have white carpets, and if those, raise your hand if you guys have white carpets, because they're a pain in the butt, and especially with perros and stuff like that. So I am in a mission. So if you guys have missed those videos and my other videos, I'm cleaning bits about my house, and right here I'm cleaning this area, and I'm just so grateful that I'm cleaning bits by bit because I don't know how I would do it. So me dio calor and I started cleaning the carpet, and with that le di como unas 3 pasadas, mis amigas, y la tierra, bueno, la agua salió súper sucia, como vaso de chocolate. And with that, I was just so tired, mis amigas. Like, me dio bien mucho calor. And to be honest, like, I think I have to give it like more pasadas just so the tierra can be removed from the carpets. But I'm just so happy that I'm just doing this carpet series because it really needed, mis amigas. So este video right here, mis amigas, I filmed it a while ago and I forgot to to upload it for you guys, and I was like, you know what, might as well just do it right now. So I'm showing you guys my hammock, and I actually bought this one on Amazon, so I will be linking this one also as well because a lot of you guys were asking about it, and I wanted to share with you guys what the updates of my backyard is looking like. And those of you that have been following me know that I planted these trees well, not I, but my husband planted these trees 2 years ago, I believe, and no nos dieron fruta. So now we have pears, we have nectarines, y tenemos peras, nectarines and peaches. So we are just so grateful, and I wanted to take this time to show you guys my trees because I'm just so grateful. But mis amigas, I'm grateful for these fruit trees that I do have in my backyard. So I have 3 fruit trees, like I said, and once they're ready to eat, no sé qué voy a hacer con tanto. Maybe I'm gonna give them away to my families and find some cool recipes that I can find that I can do with nectarines, peaches, and the pears. So I'll figure that out. But look how big they are, but they're all over, and it's just so crazy. We're just so happy, and we just don't know what we're gonna do with so many. So ahorita les voy a enseñar my garden bed. I have a lot of chiles, and like I said, my husband did make our garden bed, and I'm just so thankful for him because he does a lot of things for us, and I'm just so grateful for him to have him in my life. So let me show you guys what my garden bed looks like because you guys are going to be surprised how beautiful it looks. So raise your hand if you guys have garden beds, because we always like to have garden beds. This year, in fact, it's one of our year that we had a garden bed, and we're just so happy and cannot wait to eat our chiles. end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of like to share with you guys here and there stuff around my house, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And again, mis amigas, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, mis amigas.